We finished present simple, present progressive. We finished past simple, past progressive. And then we said if we have an action that happened in the past and I don't know when, or an action that have just finished, or lack of experience, I use the perfect. Now I want to ask you a question. If you are writing a narrative and two actions happened in the past, two actions. If you're telling me a story, two actions happened in the past. Two actions happened in the past. And you want to tell me that one of them happened first. One, of course, one happened first. How you tell me that this happened first? Instead of telling me this happened, how? How in the writing you'll tell me that this action happened before the second action. That's why they use the past perfect. Past perfect is an action that happened in the past. Okay, two actions happened in the past. The first action takes past perfect. Okay, how I use past perfect? Perfect, we said perfect. I use what for perfect? Perfect past participle. And before it what? Verb to have. So here, because it's past, I'll take has or have? No, it's had plus past participle. This is the form for the past perfect. When do I use past perfect? Two action happened in the past, one happened first. The first takes a past perfect. First action takes past perfect. Past perfect. Second action takes what? The second past simple. How I form it? Had and past participle. I had done my homework when my father came. What happened first? His father came or he had done my homework? He had done his homework. First action. Father came, second action. Okay? If I said, okay, my father had come when I finished my homework. So what happened first? My father come and then I finished my homework. My father had come and then I finished my homework. Also in the train, if you want to show that the bus has left, for example, how you say? Okay? By the time I arrived the station, the train had left. So you took the train? No, I didn't take the train. Why? Because what happened first here? The train had left is first. And this is the second. So it is very useful to use in your writing and in telling actions and telling stories in order to show which action happened before the other one. Okay, the first one takes past perfect, the second one takes simple past. Then we have past perfect and we have past perfect progressive. And we say, okay, how I form past perfect? Verb to have, past participle, had, and past participle. How I form past perfect progressive? Let me write it. Past perfect progressive. For progressive, I should have what? ing, playing, playing. Okay, for progressive. Can I have progressive without am or is or are? No, so I should have verb to be. Verb to be should be in the perfect, so it will be been. Be in the perfect, been the third form of the verb. Okay, and can I have past participle without verb to have? No, so I use have or have. Because it's past, I take what? I take had. Had been playing. Again, it's past perfect progressive. Progressive, I take ing in the verb. Verb ing. Perfect, there should, and before it there should be verb to be, because it's perfect should be in the past participle, so it will be been. Past, had. Had been plus ing. So the past perfect had plus past participle, past perfect continuous or progressive had been plus verb ing. Okay, had been plus verb ing. This is what? This is the past perfect. When I use past perfect, when I have two actions and the first takes past perfect. When I use past perfect continuous, when this first action took time, I had been watching television for 3 hours when Dad came. Before his dad came, he has been watching for 3 hours. So past perfect happens here. Past perfect happens here in the late past. And past perfect and past perfect progressive. Here. Okay? When I use it, I have two actions. Two actions. First takes perfect. If it took time, past perfect progressive.